Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees.
Turn around and bounce.
Shit, it's bright as hell though.
You know the also spin up and down to it. I wake up early, so I get to come in and forget my mask.
Well, I was up like damn near, yeah, messy sporadically throughout the night to try to get the credits done. Because some of my cousins I didn't remember about, so him actually come with them, which made me on time.
Then I said, now brush up my ear, I'm more look pretty.
Rosie never fails to look sexy, right?
Oh, thanks. Mom edited mad yesterday. A long time I'm looking for them things there now. So this is the office that we're going to use for a set. Or second set, right?
Second set. So if you take this out,
yeah, that have to come out.
Here instead.
That have to come out.
Change the focal point for that.
Then I have to go leave to color. I don't mind the rustic gold like this one, because it shows riches. But if you're going to use a cushion, it have to be brown.
Brown?
Them cushion have to go with though.
You have none of those?
I do have brown cushions.
Make note of me. Let me take a picture of the office for doing.
I'm already making notes because I'm talking.
Oh yeah, watch it tonight.
This awful go it to.
The printer, right?
No, this. The printer can stay because baby can print. This, whatever this is, the flower pot.
No, I can maybe put it, maybe not on the desk.
Here, 2 pound into. You need to move that to the desk here. Something more bigger and something more darker. Darker colors would work better. Maybe you doing the 3 already.
You doing okra, grizz, maybe a PA.
More darker.
We said 10 crew sheets. Should we?
Yeah, but print extra, like 2 more or
So
something.
do 12 crew sheets.
Not too bad, just.
You got 49 before?
You're not going to find 49 persons now because it's with the persons for this one.
Yeah. I'm loving anime.
So everybody, we are here now and we're getting ready to do our practice.
Finjam Studios.
Finjam Studios. We're at Finjam Studios and I'm getting ready to do our practice and everything. Oh, white wall, I love white walls. Anyway, what we're doing now is that the actor is basically showing us a bit of a tour of the studio, the music studio. Thank you. It's dark here. Thanks.
You can go on your stuff and I can show you.
See the rest of the world.
You know Jamaican?
We have no jail.
Everybody.
Anybody know where equipment is? It's a mixing room.
It's actually a recording room. The booth is being fixed right now, but we're still doing recording here.
Okay.
Okay, come drop my album or something.
Drop my album.
You know some of the Frenchy flow?
Alright, let's go. This is another room. This is the mixing side.
This is a bedroom.
There's a bedroom in the studio?
Yeah,
Yeah, but a lot of artists like work late at night.
Oh, they're doing a practice right now. Too close, go back. No, I'm not see she, like I move she out. Alright, perfect. It was right to why I move it.
Maggie, you.
But me not kinda know fully.
You did not kind of already.
Alright, go on.
I
Perfect.
say you need it up or not, or you good?
No, I can see the table, the chair, theme chair. You look alright.
So, stay by this up here, so.
Alright, so we're about to start now. I'm gonna turn off this because I don't think they want anything to release, right? This me I talk to.
Yeah, do your thing.
Oh, alright.
Do your thing. And make that run from now. Make that run.
This?
Yeah.
Start it? It gives say don't coffee. When people nervous, them tend to rock.
Oh, that's what we do over there?
Yes.
Right.
Well, me do that when me nervous.
Talk with your hands.
Yes.
Because that's emphatic talking. Shanti, I love that you're able to
I
do
see a
this.
future in you, Shanti.
You're gonna
Yes.
be the youngest
Mhm.
thing. Like sell it like
I feel like you should have this chair. I feel like it makes you
No,
Boss
the reason
like?
why I'm doing this is because
retire.
exactly. And the shot that I'm gonna do for you especially is to make him look super powerful.
Yeah.
So the chairs at the office is a little lower. So if you go over the shoulder on your side,
Okay.
but behind you. So
Can I check? Because we do have an actual office chair. Let me see somebody using it.
I-
It would be perfect.
that would be more helpful. On how to, you're already up on the body cues, just sharpen them. But your improv stuff, I don't want them to be completely improv the day up. I want them to be improv, but you know what I do already.
Scripted
So
improv.
You mean like the part that I just
Yeah, the
added?
part that's when you go through the door, you kneel and you pick up your stuff, then while you have your cue where you did have a do already. So it's not completely brand new the day up. So we come up and we find some new funky thing to do and everybody like, yo, that's the shit. We rock with the energy we'll build. But at least come ready to do your thing.
Awaken my heart, the start of something that would go on way too long. Reminded of you with no searching. How could I not when I keep thinking of you? And it takes me back to another time. Takes me back now. Whenever we touched, raised my heartbeat. If only you'd say it was mutual. Longing for you more than I want. How could I not when I keep thinking of you? And it takes me back to another time. Takes me back now.
Good morning. I am on set today. We already started shooting and everything. Just doing some behind the scene prepping and everything. And a run through. So I'm gonna show you some of that.
So much promotion. All the shoes. So she's answering, keep pulling.
They're doing the office scene.
And then I may be in meetings for the rest of the afternoon.
Excuse me, no, just
Shante, I'm in a rush. Is something the matter?
sorry, sir, but I wanted to show you this.
Ah, it reached. You just keep it safe for me.
So, watch. It reached. So you guys just keep it safe for me while I do. And then what's the next slide? So when we go to first position now, you're going to be in your chair. I can see you. Okay?
Okay. And pick up your jacket from off of the back of the chair or something. Alright, take 3. This speed camera.
Camera speed.
Scene 5, take 3. Quiet on set. Action.